Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with two different projects that I did last night on a live with a couple of friends, Grandma Joe and Millie the Silent Crafter. And we did a crafting thing last night. It was on the fly, and I did two projects, and this is the first one I'm going to show. I took a canvas board and I put some red ribbon all the way around it, and then I glued three of Dollar Tree's snowflakes on the board. And I put, this is all Dollar Tree, by the way, this whole project here. And I did 2 poinsettias in gold, and I took the little red truck and I took the sign off because I wanted the sign in the corner and the little red truck in the middle of my board. So this is project number 1. Whoops. And here's project number 2. It's a globe. I wish I can see the snow falling in the front. But this is another Dollar Tree project except for the glitter that's in here. The poinsettias Dollar Tree. All 3 trees in here that y'all see. I don't know if y'all can see, there's one tree here, one here, and there's a gold one over here in the corner. And the globe is from Dollar Tree. So this is my second project. What I done was I took the 3 trees and glued them to the plastic piece inside of the globe here. This piece here, I glued them to that. Okay, and I put them back in. I put water in, and then I flipped water and glitter, and I flipped it in. Now the water idea came from the live, and then I put also a little bit of alcohol, isopropyl in here. Okay, so the water doesn't mold over. And that is my 2 projects that I wanted to share with you guys today. And I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload more content. Also, be kind, be loving, be safe, be crafty. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.